Hello, my name is Chasmin. I'm a student at Kearney High School, BST, one of the small schools at our school. And you're probably thinking why I'm here to tell you about a program or a website called code.org, more specifically code, like Hour of Code. I'm here to tell you why it's important to do at least 1 hour of code a day. I know you guys have probably heard of Hour of Code, and you guys have probably done some form of it, whether it be this, right here working with Scrat, or this working with Angry Birds. I believe Hour of Code is important to at least work on it and get a small understanding of what you're doing with computers, because I personally am in a computer science class and I work with code.org all the time. Knowing how to work with code and knowing how to work with computers is very important, especially with technology that's upcoming in the days and in the future. With that being said, here are some examples that I have recorded personally on my own time in class. As I said before, you can work with many different characters, one of which being the Angry Birds, as you can see on the screen to the left. When working with this, you have to put as many blocks as you need to make the Angry Bird go from the place it starts to the pig, to win the actual course. Throughout this whole course, you can see how many lines of code you've written and how many lines of code you are going to write. It shows you in text and in blocks as well. With this course, you will learn baby steps while moving forward through the lessons, which are shown in bubbles like this. Overall, with this, you can learn how to do many different things. For instance, sequencing and loops, and other things as well you'll be working with. If you do seem to enjoy this and want to learn more, you can go to the design mode. Personally, me and my class right now, we are working on designing our own apps in design mode. We are using the turtle, which is the arrow on the screen, as you see, making turns and moving forward by pressing the buttons on the screen. To the right on the screen, you can see the code that actually tells the turtle what to do. Knowing all of this, you can make a career out of it. I do encourage that you take an hour to do this and or maybe learn a little bit more about it. All of that and seeing all the examples I have given and explaining why I believe code.org and Hour of Code is very important, I highly suggest and encourage you students and teachers that really don't know about technology to get into it and take 1 hour, not even an hour. Do at least one lesson or one bubble on code.org to understand code a little bit more. Again, my name is Chasmin. I'm a student from Kearney BST. Thank you for your time.